Hey and welcome fellow streamers to the realm of stunning graphics for your streaming adventures. In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of Fiverr, where talented graphics designers can help you create captivating overlays, banners, and logos that will take your streaming visual to the next level. And to start with this wonderful service on Fiverr, you need just to click on Graphics for Streamers Fiverr and choose the first one, this one here. So this is the homepage of the interface of the website Fiverr on the same service, where you can find all the key features that absolutely gonna need in Fiverr. And also you'll find the search bar, notification, email box lists, and the orders and your account from here. I show you before in my channel how to create an account on Fiverr. You can just come back to the last videos to find how to create an account on Fiverr, and here you'll find your profile, post a request, refer a friend, or if you want to become a seller, and also the setting, that means the password, username, photo of the profile, and more, and also the information about the billing and the payments, and if you want to change the language, the currency, and also if you have any problem or issue, you can just go to the help center and to log out from your account. So in the graphics for the streamers by Fiverr, we have here 12,863 servers. It's very big number. You can minimize it by this filters options here: service options, seller details, budget, delivery time, and these two small services here, the local sellers and the online sellers. So if you want to filter the results by the service options, we have this option here. The emotes in the budgets, it will become 3,997, and thumbnails, overlays, banners, and plus 3 more. And you can filter them by the streaming platform, by YouTube, Twitter, or Twitch, Discord, or the Facebook, and also plus 5 more. And we have the service includes custom overlay, it will become 4,365, logo designs, VK cam, and panel design, and also plus 2 more. After you choose the filter that you want, you can just click on apply to activate the filter. Now for the seller details, we have seller level, we have the top rated seller and the new sellers. And usual, the new seller have more cheap gigs than the top rated seller. And also the level 1 and level 2, the language that the seller speak: English, Spanish, Hindi, Urdu, and plus 24 more languages. The localization for the seller: United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Canada, plus 123 more. So you can just click on the filter that you want and click in apply to activate the filter. Now for the budgets, that means the price. You need just to write your price here, minimum to the maximum, and apply. And also delivery time is the same thing. We have 4 choices. We have express, that means 24 hours. You have up to 3 days, up to 7 days, or any time. That means you have no problem with the delivery time. After you choose your filter, you need just to click on apply. And also these 2 services here, the local sellers, if you want to see just their results, or the online seller. To know the seller is online or offline, you will just to click on gig, and they will give you the information about the seller down here. So let's try to check out very quickly this result here to show you how to add a gig to your list to see it later. So let's suppose that you like this gig over here and you want to keep it to see it later. You need just to click in this small heart to save it to the list, to find it later in your list over here. And if you have anything specific in your head and you cannot find this by filter the results, you can just write it on the search bar here. You can search by the color, the name of the seller, the purpose that you want to gig for it, and just like this. So now let me show you or see you how to buy a gig. You need just to go to the gig that you want to buy, click on it, So the first thing you need is to read all the information about the gig that you want to buy. And like you see here, the seller is online because you see this green button over here. If it was offline, you will find it gray, okay? So the information, let's see first all the design for this gig. You can change from these two buttons here. And we have the information about the gig down here, and also the information about the seller, the country, or the online and the offline, or from when she is a member in Fiverr, or the last delivery, she about 5 hours, the language that she talk, the Urdu and English, and also some overviews about another or from another people's about the gig or about the seller or about the service. Like example, this person is say she was great. It takes a lot of back and forth with artists to get what he wants, but after a while you start to think this is really good and getting close to what I want, but I've gotten the value for what I paid, so this is close and blah blah blah. So there is a lot of commands from this kind here. You need just to read them to be sure that you want to buy this gig and be confident from yourself. Now the first step that you need to do to buy the gig is by choosing a plan. We have 3 different plans with 3 different prices. The basic one, or is called the silver, we have in $5. To each panel you have 1-day delivery, unlimited revision, and 1 panel design. For the standard is with different price, $20. We have fake cam and unlimited panel, 2 screens and top bar. You have 3 days delivery, unlimited revision. You have fake cam, panel design, and 2 screen. The premium is the most, always is be the most expensive plan. It's with $35. You have 4 screens, top bar, unlimited panels, plus alerts, fake cam, banners, and 2 gifts, mascots, and logo. You have 5 days delivery, unlimited revision, the custom overlay, fake cam, panel design, social media kits, and 6 alerts, 4 screens. So you need to choose the plan. I will try with the basic and click on continue. After that, choose the quantity that you want to buy from the gig, and you have also these 2 services here if you want to add someone from it, of course with their own price. If you want to add include animation for plus 4 days or a highly detailed logo, you will add 3 days for the delivery with $30. You need just to click on the service to add it to the price. And also you can change the quantity for the service. Let's click now on continue. So before we complete the other steps, you need to read this one here to be sure how much you will pay. The total will be $7.78. The total delivery time is 1 day, and after that you need just to go to the payments and choose the payments method. We have 2 methods here, the credit and the debit card. If you choose this one, you need to enter your card number. It's contained in 16 numbers. You will find it in front of the card, and also the expiration date, the month, the year, security code, first name and the last name. They should be a legal name, how it's written on your payment card. And after that you need just to click on confirm and pay. And if you choose the PayPal, you need just to click on PayPal checkout to pay or buy the gig successfully. So this will be the last of our video. I hope you guys understand, and if you like the video, so please subscribe and follow me to see more videos like these. So like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye bye to the next video and next website.